Hi, welcome to our project. This is the budget calculator, and so as you can see, this is a list of the months and every day that we get paid for. So when you're paid, you just go and push payday, and then you can pick whatever month it was, so February, whatever, and then January, let's see, so if I did something on the 20th of January, let's say I cut somebody's hair for Joe and got paid $100 for 2 hours. I just push OK, and then it will add it. Sorry, we're going off screen. Right there, my haircut from Joe. And one of the things that we wanted is we wanted it to tell us how much tithing we would owe from that amount that we earned. And then also it tells us over here in our chart, it tells us our average per hour for each month. We thought that would be useful for people that have commission or bonuses. That way they can see how much they're averaging and then kind of predict how much they're going to make in the month. And if every month is the same as this month, how much that would be. So that's also in the estimated per year. It also tells you your net earnings and total earnings. So this is subtracting the tithing. So that's how we're keeping track of our earnings. It's just a nice tool that you can log your work month and make some predictions. So
yeah, and then we made sure to make this top bar up here so that that's just easily accessible and you can see everything, because it's kind of the same stuff that we have right here, but it's right here and it's easier to see. So now let's say we just went and bought some groceries, and so we put just spent money, right, and it's January, right? And we just bought groceries and we paid $5. So those were already inputted because that was just defaulted because we just did that. Let's just okay, so just change it. And so we do that. And so something that we did was we made sure to add a row and then also add a row within the thing, the category that we selected. And so now, let's say we do the same thing. We spend groceries again. It's going to keep going. And as you can see, it adds another row in there as well. Now, let's go to, now we just spent. So this is another really cool part. So as you can tell, right here it says that we owe $687.10 of tithing. So let's say we decide to pay that, right? $687.10. So not only does it go into the month that we put, but also if you go up, sorry, I was going down. It says now we owe $0 for tithing, so that's pretty cool. So that inputs it right there, and so you can keep adding it and going, all that stuff. So now. Let's say the category isn't on there, right? And so that's where you go here, you click on something blank, you hit the checkbox, and then you type in what the other category is. So let's say that, because let's say we got a haircut, right? So haircut, and we paid, $15 for that haircut? And so it adds the column for you, and then it inputs it for you as well. And then what the cool part is, let's say you get another haircut, now it's added onto the list. And now it's added onto the list as well, so now you can go back and add another haircut. Oh wait, sorry. That happened because I had the other still clicked. So we had to unclick that. Yeah, so now it's going to go under that category. Yeah, there we go. Sorry, I didn't mean to confuse you on that. All right, so the cool thing is that we did that because not only when we add haircut that, but it also adds onto our sheet right here. So this is the sheet that it has. So let's delete that one. That way it's not 2 haircuts. And so on top of everything else, this is the best part. So now we know that we've spent in total, so now it adds everything to $752.10. And then also tells us how much tithing we've paid. And that's where we get this amount over here. How we get this up here, the total tithing paid. So it was a lot of, so there's a lot of things that you can do. And so let's just really quick experiment with going through another month. So let's go to February, right? Let's say we paid rent, and rent was $250. That'd be nice. And so there you go, rent, and now it's in the month of February, and we pay rent again. We have to pay rent twice that month.
Oh no!
And so it goes in there right there, and it's just awesome. So yeah.
And then we also just have one other thing. The help feature just tells users how to use it. And one important thing to know is that we don't allow time traveling. So we're trying to figure out if there's a way you can do it. But the way ours works, it's the best if you just keep your months in order and your expenses in order so that everything can be organized. Yeah, and that's it. Thanks for listening.
Thank you, guys.